West Street Service Center is a complete auto repair shop that can help you with the full range of car repairs and maintenance services. As a locally owned and operated company, we are proud to serve the community of Gardner, Massachusetts and surrounding areas. West Street Service Center has been serving the Gardner metro area since 1957, specializing in vehicle repair for both foreign and domestic vehicles. Our service includes AC repair and maintenance, wheel alignments, brake repair, diagnostic services, oil and fluid changes, engine replacement, and much more. If you're looking for high quality and personal service, then West Street Service Center is your choice. Call us or contact us online for a consultation.